Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the current status for NEET PG counseling round 2, because round 1 is over and for some of the states is still pending. Okay, so before we start with the proper update, because I have bring out the state-wise update for all the open states and major closed states. You can look at the description of the video and you can join the Telegram group. If you qualified newly and your score is low and still you want to get the seat, then also you can contact us and you can avail our paid guidance, so that we can tell you like how you can create your strategies to get a seat with high chance of confirmation. Okay, and what are the options available. The number is 9319128677. You can send us messages or you can call us as well on the same number. Andhra Pradesh is an open state. Registration was open for newly qualified candidate and is closed already. For in-service candidates for phase 3, in-service phase 3, it is still open. In Bihar state also the registration is completed for newly qualified candidates. After the cut-off revision, some of the states opened the registration for newly qualified candidates. In the same registration, the candidates who were already qualified were not allowed to do the registration. In Gujarat state, which is a closed state, round 2 result will be published on 28th by 6 p.m. Haryana state, there is no update for round 2 or newly registered candidate. They have not allowed the registration as of now. So we can consider Haryana is one of those states where the counseling is delayed. In Himachal Pradesh, last date for fresh registration, online form filling is as on today, and that's for newly qualified candidates. In Karnataka, is just kind of like no start. They completed mock round also, and after mock round, the real round was published, and then there was a high court case regarding in-service seat distribution, and since then is pending. And we are expecting that since the cut-off revision is done, so they will open the registration once again for the round 1 itself, and the choice filling will also happen once again. And the rounds might get clubbed, like in Uttarakhand round 1 and round 2 got clubbed, so here also they can club it. There is one more challenge against all the counseling authorities, and it's major challenge for MCC as per the rules, okay, which is in sync with the Supreme Court. Before All India mop-up round, okay, all states need to complete their second round, so that the candidates who got a seat allotment from state round 2, they should not be able to block the seat in mop-up round. So in order to avoid the seat blocking in mop-up round, all India, the candidates need to get their seat from round 2. Looking at the current progress in some of the states, it looks like their round 2 will be delayed, and as per the schedule, from 31st the registration for All India mop-up will start. So what about when the choice filling from All India mop-up is going on, and some of the state have just started their registration or choice filling? So the candidate would be allowed to do the registration and choice filling for state as well as All India mop-up. So it is seat blocking, which is violation of the rule passed from Supreme Court. So something has to be done in order to tackle it. And there are a group of people also who are going for PIL against it, because many candidates waiting for positive shift in mop-up round, like it happened last year, which is likely to happen this year also. But in case round 2 in states are delayed, so this it will definitely impact the positive shift which is expected in mop-up round. Okay, and what about that list of the candidates in a portal which has to be shared across to state counseling, so that they can prevent those candidates to participate in mop-up round. For all these things to get implemented properly, the state round 2 need to be completed at right time. And we also saw a notice from MCC that as per the Supreme Court orders, the state need to uh, stick to the timelines, and they need to complete the round 2 counseling as soon as possible, and their weekend need to be considered as working days. Okay, so let's resume our updates about the states. In Kerala, online application for newly qualified candidates will get over by 3 p.m. today. Madhya Pradesh, the choice filling is going to start from 28th and it will go on up to 31st. So Madhya Pradesh looks in good shape. uh, Maharashtra, the choice filling ends on 28th. That's also in good shape. Pondicherry is also kind of delayed. There is no registration update for round 2, whether for newly candidates or qualified candidates or the already qualified candidates. Punjab, round 2 verification for Sikh and Christian minority, and Christian minority quota till 12 noon as on today. In Rajasthan, the counseling is going to start. Counseling is going on. Today it will be for government colleges, and from 28th up to 30th is for private colleges going on in offline mode. So you have to download your entry tickets, which need to be scanned there. Okay, and then you can proceed with it. In Tamil Nadu, the registration and the choice filling is going on, which will be available up to 8 p.m. 28th. So Tamil Nadu is also in good shape. Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu. Towards the end of video, I'll tell you the summary. In Telangana, the registration for management quota for newly qualified candidates will end today. In Uttar Pradesh, today is the last date for paying the security deposit of 2 lakhs. The registration is already completed. In Uttarakhand, round 1 result is delayed. So, coming back to those states where the counseling is delayed: Haryana, Karnataka, Uttarakhand, and you can see Pondicherry also a bit delayed. In Chhattisgarh, round 2 choice filling is going on. So Chhattisgarh is not delayed. Round 2 choice filling is up to 28th. Okay, for Chhattisgarh. So this is the current update about the counseling. I have missed like few dates when I had to update you about the current updates, and I knew that you people are waiting. So I'll try to keep it posted to you on regular basis so that you are not missing the registration chances or chance to participate in the counseling for open states at least. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.